Why did the Rolls-Royce Ghost refuse to race with the Bentley Flying Spur? Because it heard that the Spur might have a spectacular speed boost. And now let us look at 11 critical differences between the two. Let's compare the differences between Rolls-Royce Ghost versus Bentley Flying Spur, two of the most luxurious cars in the market. Difference 1. Starting with the design, the Rolls-Royce Ghost implies effortless elegance and minimalism, while the Bentley Flying Spur has a more aggressive, slightly sportier look thanks to its muscular design. Difference 2. In terms of the power plant, the Ghost is powered by a 6.75-litre V12 engine that delivers 563 GP, while the Flying Spur uses a 6.0-litre W12 that offers a bit more punch at 626 GP. Difference 3. When it comes to transmission, the Ghost uses an 8-speed automatic transmission, while the Flying Spur benefits from a more modern 8-speed dual-clutch transmission, which provides smoother and quicker gear changes. Difference 4. The Ghost features an effortless doors system that allows you to open and close the car's doors electronically, something that isn't available on the Flying Spur. Difference 5. Inside the cabin, Rolls-Royce offers a Starlight headliner, a feature that mimics a starry night sky on the roof of the vehicle. This is a unique feature that isn't available in the Bentley model. Difference 6. The Flying Spur, on the other hand, offers a rotating display on the dashboard, which allows the driver to switch between 3 different panels. This feature is not available in the Ghost. Difference 7. The Ghost carries the Rolls-Royce's trademark feature, the Spirit of Ecstasy hood ornament, while the Flying Spur features the Bentley Flying Bee mascot, each embodying the brand's unique identity and heritage. Difference 8. For off-road capabilities, the Bentley Flying Spur comes with Bentley's Dynamic Ride, an active anti-roll system for improved stability, which is not present in the Ghost. Difference 9. When it comes to acceleration, the Bentley Flying Spur is slightly faster, going from 0 to 60 mph in 3.7 seconds versus the 4.8 seconds of the Ghost. Difference 10. In terms of price, the Rolls-Royce Ghost tends to be more expensive. The base price of the Ghost starts at around $311,900, whereas the Bentley Flying Spur starts at a slightly more affordable $216,300. Difference 11. Lastly, in terms of audio system, the Bentley Flying Spur uses a Naim audio system, while the Rolls-Royce Ghost utilizes a bespoke audio system, leading to different sound experiences.